there, and welcome to Texas Farmstead Living. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook and process a pumpkin. It's January and we are really looking into our larder and our food storage for our food this winter. And pumpkins are a really important part of our winter diet. I grew them. These are sugar pumpkins and neck pumpkins, also known as Tahitian pumpkins, and I think there's one more name for them. But I grew them this summer and fall, and I put them, when I harvest them, I always leave a little bit of the vine just because I think it gives them a little bit of nutrition. And I usually store them in a very cool, dark, mine are in the barn. And then I'll just pull them out as I need them. And I usually can use these pumpkins until March. So that is a really, really good food source for us. And I have a new soup blog post coming out on January 26th that I used this pumpkin to make the soup with. So there's two ways that I cook pumpkins. The first one is if I need to dice or put it in a soup, and this goes for butternut, spaghetti squash, or any pumpkin. I put it in the oven at 350 and I just, let it cook just a tiny bit so that it's easy to slice and dice. Because for me, it is too dangerous to use a big knife to peel and dice an uncooked pumpkin. But just remember, if you use this method, that if you're going to save any seeds, that you remove them first because the oven will heat them. So, and these seeds are always really important to my family. So the second way that I cook pumpkin is I'll just set them on a cookie sheet with unbleached parchment paper. Just set them, I will rinse them off and dry them, and I will remove the stems. I'll take this off also. And I'm going to go ahead and cook today the rest of this pumpkin because I want to make a pumpkin pie. It's also important to put a little hole in the pumpkins because they will build pressure up inside and they might explode. So you don't really want that to happen. I'm just going to cook these at a 350 degree oven until they are soft, and they actually will just start, as they soften and cook, they'll kind of start, sinking in and becoming kind of flat. So you'll know when they're ready. and so cost effective. And as I always say, when you cook from scratch, you control the ingredients, which is always more delicious and healthier. If you're interested in food production, eating in season, and a slow lifestyle that's very intentional, please subscribe to our channel. And I hope you'll give our video a like. From our Texas Hill Country Farmstead to you, have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm Karen, creator of the YouTube channel and blog Texas Farmstead Living, where we inspire, educate, and guide you into living your healthiest, best life. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thank you.